Kia ora, I'm Stu. In today's video I want to talk about our lawn garden. In 2020 we converted an old derelict lawn that grew nothing but a bit of grass into a veggie garden, and that's what I'm standing in at the moment. I'll put the footage off when we did it until now, when we've got an abundance of veggies and stuff. So this is the lawn garden. We've got a new project on the go here. We've getting rid of some lawn out the front of our house and going to put it into garden and grow some potatoes. But this is a very easy method and hopefully it will work. So we'll keep you posted and let you know how we go. So what we've done is we've mowed our lawn down to a absolute minimum, as low as we can. And we've put our potatoes out on it. And we're going to cover them with straw. A good thick layer of straw. So there's our potatoes all ready to go. So we'll keep you posted. Okay, well we've strawed it all and she's all ready to go. What do you reckon? It's looking pretty good. We'll keep you updated and hopefully she'll come away good. We've got a good thick layer, about maybe 6 inches of straw on top of it. So there it goes. Potato lawn project on the way. Cheers. Sunflowers have done really well this year. It's been a very dry year in the Catlins. We haven't had a lot of rain, and with mulching, with the straw and stuff, it's kept the moisture down, and we haven't had to water, and they've done well. But this sunflower up here is about 8-9 foot tall. It's a monster, and I've actually got a pumpkin growing up it, a pumpkin vine, so that's pretty cool. Sunflowers, we harvest the sunflower seed and we use it for our hens in the winter time for hen food, as well as we husk them and we use them as a pine nut substitute and pestos and things like that. Very, very nice. Or just even roasting them. Sunflowers are a yummy food and can't grow enough of them, but that's our front lawn sunflower crop. We've got some good pumpkins growing here as well. Check that out. Look at the size of that sunflower, what a beauty. This is our cranberry bush, not quite ready, just about ready though to eat. They're beautiful, we'll just munch on them on the way into the house. Always a good source of food. It's New Zealand cranberry or guava. The bees just love the sunflower, they get a lot of food from them, so it's always good to encourage the bees into the garden as well. Okay, well that's our quick garden update of the lawn garden. We're getting a bit more time now, so I might even get a chance to do some more videos. I'm going out hunting quite a bit, so I'll do some hunting videos for all you hunters out there. But I hope everyone's well in these crazy times and getting through this whole COVID thing. And thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.